What's up guys, today I will share with you how to build muscles at home, how I do it, the main idea behind building muscles, exercises and equipment. After this video you will exactly know what to do to get jacked at home. Let's get started. So guys, the main idea behind building muscles is progressive overload. It means that you need to push your body, push your muscles to work a little harder on every workout. It will tell your brain that to keep up with this increasing difficulty of the workout, we need to grow our chest, for example, bigger and stronger. And if on every workout you keep increasing difficulty, then your body will respond and grow in size and strength. This is the main idea behind building muscles. To achieve progressive overload, we have two main variables, reps and weight. With reps, it can look like this. For example, push-ups, 3 sets of 10 reps for the first workout. Done. The next workout, 3 sets of 11 reps, plus 3 reps in total. Your chest should work a little bit harder because of these 3 reps. On the next workout, 3 sets by 12. And you can go on and on and on until you achieve, for example, 3 sets of 30 reps. This will progressively overload your chest and you will grow. To achieve progressive overload with weight, it's basically how you do it in the gym. You just need to add more weight. For example, if we already can do 3 sets of 30 reps of push-ups, if we add to this workout just 5 kg in the backpack, man, this workout became no doubt harder and you continue to progressively overload your chest and get it bigger and stronger. Then when you can do 3 sets of 30 reps, you can add 8 kg, 10 kg, and like that you can still work at home but progressively overload your chest and build muscles, build size. If you work out at home and you don't have weights, you still can use this model of progressive overload by increasing difficulty of the exercise. So for example, 3 sets of 30 reps regular push-ups. Then for the next level, 3 sets of 30 reps push-ups, legs elevated. This variation will make the workout a little bit harder, but this is all we need to keep building size, keep building muscles. And then 3 sets by 30 reps with elevated legs and elevated hands, when we can go a little bit deeper to stretch our chest more. It will also make this same workout harder and we can keep building muscles. And just by using these 2 techniques of progressive overload, man, you can build amazing body at home. Man, and believe me, there is a lot of difficulty levels for every exercise at home. You just need to find it and apply it. Let's go, I will show you how to do it. Chest, shoulders and triceps. It's of course push-ups. Level 1, push-ups from the knee. Alright? Level 2, regular push-ups. Boom. Level 3, push-ups with elevated arms. You can use books instead of the parallettes. Boom. Boom. Level 4, push-ups with elevated legs. Boom. Boom. Level 5, you guessed it, push-ups with elevated arms and legs. Boom. Boom. By the time when you will go through each level, man, you will build some crazy physique. But there is more. If you want to go further, like I do, after all these levels, you will add weights. You will need just simple backpack. I'm using my Road to the Dream and I put here 35 pounds plate. Instead of plates, you can use water bottles, you can use rice to load up the backpack. So I do it like this. I lay down, I wear my backpack, then I stand up to the push-up position and man, I'm ready. Oh yeah, solid gains. Just like that, using just one exercise, you can build at home awesome chest, shoulders and triceps. And show me the guy right now who will tell me that you can't build muscles at home. Come on man, let's go to the next muscle group. The next one, if we're talking about the legs, is Bulgarian split squat. Level 1 is just slow, basic Bulgarian split squat. Level 2, one leg elevated. Oh yeah, this is solid. Level 3, same exercise, but with the backpack. Feels solid. And for the back guys, of course, ideally you need to have pull-up bar like this, or just a regular doorway pull-up bar for $15 from Amazon. Level 1 would be jump on the bar and slowly come down, jump, come down. Level 2, regular pull-ups. And level 3, of course, pull-ups with weights. And so this is your first basic home workout program to build muscles using progressive overload. You have push, pull, legs, 3 exercises that we just talked about in one workout 2 times per week. Write down number of reps for every exercise and every set and come back on the next workout and make it a little harder. let's go! Also guys, you can download my next workout app because here I'm using this idea that we just talked about for every kind of exercise that you can find. So when you're ready to go to the next level, download the next workout app, go to the home section and then choose one of the programs, beginning, intermediate or advanced, those three if you have pull-up bar. If you go to build muscles and lose fat with this program, check out this video. This is how you need to eat to lose fat. And if you go to get bigger using this program, check out this video. This is 5 must do for every hard gainer. Thank you so much and I will see you in the next video. God bless.